Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Kanutalo IP. Today we're going to see how to set up an IVR, also known as an automatic answering machine, using the Yeastar PBX. First, we'll go to Call Features, IVR. Click the Add button. We'll leave the extension number as the default. If you don't want the audio to repeat, you can set it to 1. The default audio can be configured here. We can configure it using the speech-to-text option. Click it, enter a name, select your preferred language, choose one of the preloaded voices, and paste a text. Here, you can adjust the voice speed and volume. Click Save, then set the response wait time. We'll give users 3 seconds to enter a number and leave the rest as default. Now let's go to the key pressed event. In option 0, we can define an extension. We have options from 0 to 9, as well as the hashtag and asterisk keys. We'll define an extension for the 0 key, and if the caller doesn't press anything, we can also ensure the call isn't lost, that someone answers it if they don't press anything. Click Save. We need to place this IVR in the inbound route. Go to Call Control, Inbound Route, edit the rule, and scroll down to the default destination. Select the IVR we previously configured, then click Save and Apply. When a call is placed through any of the lines added to this rule, the call will be routed to that IVR. Now let's make a test call. We dial the IVR, and the call is automatically routed, and the welcome message begins to play.
If you know the extension number, please dial it now. Otherwise, please stay on the line and one of our assistants will help you.
Next, it'll make a call to an extension. That wraps up this video. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.